Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your birthday girl, Debbie from Dongaya? Uno pretend? Uno correct? Yeah man, today it's my birthday, you all. The 13th, Friday the 13th, it's my birthday. And how could I ever go through my birthday without sharing it with you? You know, I'm just a slow, easygoing girl. I don't have anything planned, but I've got life. I'm blessed. And I'm blessed with 871 YouTube presents. You all my subscribers. Thank you. Love you. Yes. You all. Thank you. Love you. I love you. You are my reason. You have given me the best birthday present of a lifetime. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Yeah man, Debbie from Dongayard, Friday the 13th. And it's a 13 thing, you know. But you know what happened? You gotta hop on over to the Jamaican debbiedebs. We're going to talk about the 1313 over there. It's not done. So, from my kitchen, we're not cooking anything today, but from my kitchen, from my family, my humble little Jamaican home to you all. I love you. I appreciate you all. And it's my first birthday on YouTube with you all. And I know there will be many more to come. So you all who have been viewing for the longest while and have not yet subscribed, make sure today the 13th, Debbie from Dongayard birthday, make sure you subscribe today. Love you all. Love you. Birthday girl, Debbie from Dongayard.